Okay, so here is the simulation for station 3, in which we are looking at temperature versus pressure. And so what we're going to do here is change the temperature and then see how that affects the pressure reading right here. So right now, if you look at this, the temperature is at 20 degrees Celsius and the pressure is at 20 kilopascals. Okay, and so if we look at the beaker, we can change the hot plate settings, and I can go ahead and change this to low, and that heats the beaker of gas up to 60 degrees Celsius, and my new pressure is 23 kilopascals. Okay, if I change this to medium, oops, sorry, that changes my temperature inside the beaker to 100 degrees Celsius, and it increases the pressure to 25 kilopascals. And then finally, a high temperature is 140, and that gives me 28 kilopascals. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Now make sure, if you weren't paying attention the first time, to go back and write. I want you to write temperatures. I don't want you to write off, low, medium, high. You need to have temperatures so that you can graph that properly. But I'm changing the temperature, so that's my x-axis, and then we're measuring the pressure, that's the y-axis. Okay, for station 4, we're going to use this same simulation, but we're going to change the volume of the container and see what happens to the pressure. So we're going to work with volume now. So right now, my volume, as you can see, my plunger up here is at 1,000 milliliters, and the pressure is 20 kilopascals. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and increase or decrease my volume to 800 milliliters, and that affects my pressure to 25. My gas particles are colliding more. Okay, down to 600 milliliters, and now we have a pressure of 33 kilopascals. 400 milliliters, we are at 50 kilopascals. And 200 milliliters, they're colliding a ton because they're squeezed into this tiny little space, and we're at 101 kilopascals. Okay, so we left temperature constant that time, so the only two variables in this experiment are my independent variable, which is the volume, and then my dependent variable, what I was measuring, is the pressure. All right, hopefully that helps.